Yes, hello. Today we are going to start class 11th, chapter 3rd, exercise 3.1 from your NCERT, trigonometry functions. There are two measures to check the angle. First one is degree measure, where 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree suppose. Radian measure, where we are defining in this type of sense. In my previous video, I discussed what is pi. Pi is radian, that is equal to 180 degree. If you will see, 180 upon 6 is what? 30. Same 180 upon 4, 45. Means you can write your angles in two measures, degree and radian. Now, degree measure to convert into radian measure means whenever you have given theta in degree, you have to convert into radian measure. Then formula is pi upon 180 into theta. Theta means that is given to you, which you have to convert. And in radian measure to convert into degree measure, then its reciprocal you will take. For remembering it, when you have to convert into radian means you have to see in pi. So you will take pi firstly, and in degree you want 180. Clear? Means according to that you can learn. For degree 180 you will keep firstly, in radian you will keep pi upon 180. Now, keys to remember. The angle between two consecutive digits in a clock is 30 degree, means pi by 6 radian. Yes, what is given? You know what is a clock? Clock means how many numbers are written there? 12. 1 to 12. Each hour hand is making 30 degree with their. Clear? Means in two consecutive digits. Suppose 1, 2, 3. Means in these two, what is the angle you will see? Yes, like this. Means in two consecutive numbers, angle is made is 30 degree, pi by 6. Two consecutive digits. Digits these one. Angle between them is pi by 6. Yeah, 30 degree. The hour hand rotates through an angle of 30 degree in 1 hour. You know these digits are working as an hour. So that's why same here they are making 30 degree angle. Whenever 1 hour is there, then on 2 hour it will become 30 degree. Next, the minute hand rotates through an angle of 6 degree in 1 minute. 6 degree in 1 minute. Clear? Means 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. As you know, total minutes are 60. Then 60 into 6, it will become 360 degree. You know it is covering in 60 minutes. So what are they making there? Complete angle. So 360. 1 minute is equal to 6 degree. Clear? And 1 hour is equal to 30 degree. Clear? Next is, now we are discussing some examples. Find radian measure of given measurements. See, degree is given, you have to convert into radian measure. Radian measure formula is pi upon 180 into theta. Now we are putting pi upon 180, keep same. Theta that is given to you, you put and cancel there, you are getting 5 pi by 12. Second statement is 240 degree. Clear? Then we are putting again in same formula, you are getting 4 pi by 3. Clear? It is easy to get, only put in formula. You know ki pi you will keep in numerator. Next is find degree measure of given 240. Clear? It is given degree measure, you know what? 180 upon pi into theta. Theta is given to you 240, and here you don't want pi. So you will put the value of pi here 22 upon 7. I have taken its reciprocal, then I cancelled. After that you got this. And remember this thing, whenever you are getting it in this sense, you will keep the numerator inside and you will divide it. Clear? Yes. Then 3, then 8, 7, yes, 5, 4. How much left? 6. You will keep their 6 there. Clear? You will keep their 6. 13, see, I am telling 13, 7, 4, it will keep it same. Remainder is what yours? 6. 6 upon 11. You will take that is, you will keep it in degree, and now you will take with them 60. Then you will again multiply 360 upon 11. Now you will again divide 360 upon 11. Divide it. Yes. Yes, 11 3s are 11 2s are 22. Clear? 8 remainder. Now 32 will be kept as a minute. 32 kept as a minute. Now again what you get? 8. Again you will multiply with the 60. 480 upon 11. Now you again divide, that you will be seconds. Means firstly you will, what will you write? Firstly you will start from this formula. You will change pi into 22.7, solve it. You are getting this, you will divide up to that. Whenever you are getting remainder, you will keep it same there, but quotient will give you degree. Again you will multiply with the 60, then you will again divide. We are dividing, you are getting 32. So 32 minute. Then again what are you getting? 8. 8 upon 11 into 60, 480 upon 11. You can leave it. If you want, you can also leave it there. But this is a way कि firstly you will write into degree, then minute, then second. If it is coming again, then leave it. Next one is find the degree measure of pi by 8. Degree measure, you know you have this formula 180 upon pi into theta. Theta is here, pi by 8. Do the cancellation. 45 by 2 means 22, 1 by 2. Next is find the length of an arc of a circle of radius 5 cm subtending to a central angle measuring 15 degree. Clear? Here radius is given to you 5, angle is given to you 15 degree. Arc of length you have to find. You will take it L, and it is always denoted by L. Arc of length. And remember this formula, L is equal to r theta, means length of arc equal to radius into angle. So that is given to you. And one thing more, remember it, which theta you are putting here, it must be in radian form. Clear? Firstly you have given the theta in degree form, so you have to convert into radian. You know pi upon 180, you will multiply with it, it will convert into radian measure. So I am cancelling. This is your what? Length of arc. Remember this, theta must be in radian. If it is not in radian, then you will multiply firstly with it pi upon 180. Clear? Next is find in degree the angle subtended at the center of angle of diameter 50 cm by arc of length 11 cm. See, diameter is given to you 50. Firstly you will find radius. Radius is equal to diameter by 2, means 25. Arc of length is given to you, means L is given 11. We know that you have to find angle in degree. L is equal to r theta, and you know r is given, theta you have to find, 11 is given, that is your L. But which theta you will get? In radian. Remember, firstly you have to change it. Now firstly I have shifted here. What are you getting? Theta is 11 upon 25. You want degree. You want in degree. Degree means 180 upon pi. 180 upon pi. Pi means 22 upon 7. Clear? I have done 11 upon 25 is equal to your theta. Theta you got here in radian. however it is not clear from you कि मैम where is pi, where we will see, but I told कि theta whenever you are getting here it will give in radian measure only. So but it is given कि you have to find in degree. So firstly you will multiply with 180 upon pi. Pi is yours 22.7. So 7 upon 22, sorry 22 upon 7. Clear? Now you will do the cancellation. After cancellation you are getting 126 upon 5. Again in same manner, you know whenever you are getting theta in degree measure in form, you will divide firstly. Yes, 5 2s are 10. Yes, 5 5s are 25. 1 is remainder. So this is what? This is your degree, but 1 is a remainder. 1 upon 5 you will keep. Then again you will multiply with the 60. Now it is being cancelled. So 12 minute. So it is your theta in degree. Clear? Next question is, in a circle of diameter 40 centimeter and length of chord is 20 centimeter, find the length of minor arc corresponding to the chord. Diameter is given. Firstly we will find radius. Diameter by 2. Length of chord is given. Chord you know, which is intersecting at the 2 points to the circumference of circle. Yes, this is known as chord. And you can see from the figure, these are what? Radius. This is given. And from this what type of figure you obtained? Triangle. Triangle which type? Equilateral. If triangle is equilateral, all sides are equal, then you know angle will be 60 degree. Yes. And now length of chord is given, but from this we find the theta. Clear? Because you have to find the length of minor arc. L means arc. L is equal to r theta. Then L will keep it same. R is given to you. Theta is 60 degree here, but you have to put here in form of radian. So pi upon 180 we will multiply, then do the cancellation. After that you will get this thing. Remember, this length of chord is given, not length of arc. So from chord firstly you will find the theta. Clear? Next question is, if the arcs of same length in two circles subtend angles 60 and 75 at their centers, find the ratio of their radii. Clear? Means you have to find the ratio of their radius. How many circles are here? 2 circles are here. Angles 2 are given, but length of arc is given to you same. Clear? Theta is given, radius you have to find in form of ratio. So let R1 and R2 be the radii of given circles. Length of arc of both circles are equal, so I kept it L. Theta 1 and theta 2 both are given. Firstly you know L is equal to R theta. R1 because R1 we have taken. Theta is 60, but you have to convert into a radian, so pi upon 180. Clear? Now you are getting L is this one. But now for second theta, now we are putting R2 theta 2. Same pi upon 180 you will multiply. But L is equal to, yes, both are sides they are given equal, so you will keep it same. Pi pi cancel, do cancellation. You want the ratio of their radii. So R1 upon R2, and listen this thing, sometimes student R2 keep in front, but no, you have to keep in R1 upon R2 form only. So 4 will go on that side. 5:4. See. Next is a circular wire of radius 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. मीन सर्कुलर वायर है जिसकी रेडियस क्या है 7.5 सेंटीमीटर. इज कट, उसको कट कर लिया. एंड बेंट एज टू लाई अलोंग द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ हुप हुज रेडियस इज 120 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है. फाइंड द डिग्री ऑफ एंगल विच सबटेंड एट द सेंटर ऑफ द हुप. क्या करना है इस क्वेश्चन में? हमें बताया कि रेडियस क्या दे रखी है 7.5. लेंथ ऑफ सर्कुलर वायर मीन्स लेंथ में सर्कमफ्रेंस आप लोगों ने निकाल लिया 15 पाई. क्लियर। बट रेडियस ऑफ हुप क्या दे रखी है 120 सेंटीमीटर। यू वॉन्ट थीटा बी द एंगल सबटेंडेड बाय वायर एट द सेंटर ऑफ हुप। यू नो थीटा इज इक्वल टू लेंथ ऑफ आर्क अपॉन रेडियस। क्लियर, लेंथ ऑफ आर्क you already calculated, means circumference upon theta, sorry radius is given, so in this manner you will get what, theta. I have used same formula here, L is equal to r theta, L upon r, L is your this one, r is given, so in this manner you will get theta. Clear. Next, find the angle between the minute hand of a clock and the hour hand when the time is 7:20 am. Yes, this type of question is too much important when time is given to you. Clear, and you know about minute hand and hour hand. So start from this type of question here. Angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours, you know 360. 12 hours का मतलब वो पूरा कंप्लीट सर्कल करती है। पहले हमने आर हैंड का निकाल लेना है, फिर मिनट हैंड का, फिर दोनों को क्या कर देंगे, सबट्रैक्ट कर देंगे। क्लियर। पहले हमने आर हैंड कितने आर्स होते हैं टोटल 12 आर्स कितने के एंगल बनाते हैं 360, लेकिन आपके पास कितने आर्स हैं 7 आर 20 मिनट्स। 7 आर 20 मिनट्स का मतलब क्या है 7:20, इसको मैंने आर्स में चेंज करना है। आर्स में चेंज करने का मतलब मैंने 20/60 लिख लेना है। 21 ज़ा 20, 23 ज़ा 60, 7 3 ज़ा 21 + 1 22/3 आर। क्लियर। अब आपने क्या करना है, ये तो चीज़ पता है आपको, ये वाली चीज़ के नीचे ये वाली डिवाइड में आ जाएगी और इसको इसके साथ क्या कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई। आफ्टर कैंसिलेशन यू आर गेटिंग 220। फर्स्टली आपने वो ले लेना है जो आपका जर्नल केस है, घंटे वाला 12 आवर्स 360, जो आपको टाइम दे रखा है उसको भी आर में चेंज करके उसके साथ क्या कर देंगे, मल्टीप्लाई। उसके बाद आपने क्या करना है, मिनट हैंड। एंगल ट्रेस्ड बाय मिनट हैंड, मिनट कितने होते हैं 60 मिनट, वो भी 360 बनाता है, लेकिन आपके पास मिनट कितने हैं, सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स में क्या आएगा 360/60 × 20, व्हाट आर यू गेटिंग 120। दोनों को क्या कर देना है, माइनस, तो दोनों हैंड्स के बीच का आपको एंगल फाइंड हो जाएगा। क्लियर। पहले आप आर हैंड्स का लिखेंगे, फिर आप मिनट हैंड, फिर दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करके जो आपको एंगल पता चलेगा वो होएगा दोनों हैंड्स के बीच का एंगल। आई होप यू आर गेटिंग, दिस इज ईजी टू गेट।